Miigwech and welcome to Ojibwe Word of the Day. Today's word is Negwaakwaan, and Negwaakwaan is the word for a tap. In former times, the taps people used for maple trees were actually small segments of sumac, which have a hollow center, and they would score the tree and tap it in. Today, our family uses the metal taps, so I suppose cheating a little bit, but it does make life easier for a pretty big sugar operation. Negwaakwaan, Miigwech, Miigwech, Wagush, indigenous.
Miigwech.
And that was
Ojibwe Word of the Day.
Miigwech.